Ladies, here's a walkthrough of the Seint 3D collection, the number 12. First, I'm going in with my contour, and I'm using the detail brush that comes in the collection, and I'm just pressing that under my cheekbones and then around my hairline. And then I'm going down around my jaw. And then I'm going to do a quick nose contour. And then a little lip contour. And next I'm going in, I flip my brush over to the small end. This is the detail brush still. And I went into my main highlight, which is Sandy in this collection. This is skin tone level 4, by the way. And I'm going around the places where I did not place the contour. So between my brows, under my eyes, above my cheeks, below my cheeks, and now I'm going in to the brightening highlight, which this is Candlelit in this particular collection, and I'm going under my eyes and down the center of my nose, my Cupid's bow on my chin, and I'm blending it out with the Perfector sponge, tapping out that nose contour in stippling motions. And now I'm going in with my loose setting powder. This is just translucent setting powder. This is by Laura Mercier. I am an oily T-zone, so I like to set around my eyes, especially with that powder. Next, I'm going in with a blush and bronzer brush, which also comes in this collection, and I dipped into Sandstone. And now I'm going into Boardwalk and putting that on the apples of my cheeks and blending out. Now I'm taking Black Cherry, putting that on my lips. And I'm going in with the fluffy side of the blush and bronzer brush, and I'm dipping into Bella Bronzer, and I'm giving myself a nice bronzy glow all over my face. It's absolutely gorgeous. And next I'm going into the Rose Gold Illuminator and putting that on my upper cheekbones, down the center of my nose. And then I'm even popping a little bit on my lips to kind of give an ombre look. Next I'm going to do this pretty eye look. All beautiful neutral tones. They look great on all eye colors. And that's it, ladies. I hope you grab this collection.